Hey guys, welcome to a new video on my channel. I just wanted to do like a quick sum up of the parts I got so far for my PC that I'm hopefully going to build this year. First off, after the case, which there is a video of it, I got myself an SSD, 2 terabytes from Kingston, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think Kingston products are really nice. So this is the second part I got. The third part I got is some RAM, DDR5 from G.Skill. I actually got 32 gigs, and like it says DDR5, and I'm going for the AMD build. So this is the third part I got, and the fourth part, which actually came yesterday, is my CPU cooler. This is what it looks like in the inside as well. As you can see, AM4, AM5. It's pretty heavy. I did not choose the RGB version because I don't know, the case has enough RGBs for myself. But there are still 4 or 5 parts left to complete my PC. Let me just check. Yeah, I need a power supply. So that's one part. Of course, a GPU, motherboard, and a CPU. And that's actually going to take quite a lot of time. I did spend quite a lot of money to actually get all of these parts. So I hope I can buy one more part next month. At least the power supply, it's the next cheapest thing compared to the other parts. And I am still not sure about the CPU, if I'm going for the Ryzen 5 or the Ryzen 7. I still have to decide that, but I'm sure this is going to be nice when I finish it. Although I never built a PC in my life, but I hope I don't do anything wrong. So I would love if I could build it within the next month, but there is just no way. I will be happy if I just get a power supply next month, so I'm one step closer to finish it, but we'll see what happens. There's still a long way till the next month. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you stay on my channel to see how everything turns out over the time. Anyways, thanks for watching and stay healthy like always, and I'll see you in the next video.